Alright guys, welcome back to the Bullish Money YouTube channel. I'm here with Mark. This is Josh. I want to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin prices. Mark, you know, it's been kind of crazy.
Through the roof, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we saw in some markets a couple days ago, Bitcoin hit $19,000 and then it quickly collapsed back down. Now it's trending somewhere around a range between 14,000 something to a little over 16,000. It fluctuates. You really don't know where it's settling, but it's settling around 16 right now. I think it's a little bit under, a few $100 under 16,000. What do you think about Bitcoin prices? Are you, and you can speak honestly, are you like, ooh, this is kind of rich, or are you into getting some more? What are your thoughts right now?
Yeah, I'd love to get some more. It's pretty expensive, but I mean, I can try and chip away at it and buy a little at a time. But I don't have much. But I do think it has the potential to just keep going higher and higher. Maybe 20,000. Who knows? By next week. That's how crazy it is. When just last week I was hoping to go to 12. Not even last week. I was hoping to go to 12,000. So
you think that it's going to go to 20,000 pretty soon?
Yeah, I'm sure it will. And beyond.
Woo. All right. Well, Mark, you may be right. Now, this is just for full disclosure. I'm not saying that this is going to happen. So don't take my advice as gospel, or don't even consider this as advice, because it's not advice. I'm just throwing some ideas at you, throwing what I think might happen. I am not sure, so don't send me a bunch of hate mail. Well, you guys are going to send me hate mail anyways, but try not to. I'm just sharing what I'm thinking. So it's going to be very tough to focus in on this chart. I'm just using my iPhone X, but yeah, you're going to focus in on this chart, and what you see right here is, I think, a bullish pennant formation. As you see, the price is moving higher up here, and then it peaked, but then as it goes down, the support line is also aligned with where the lows are. So I think you're going to see a bullish pennant formation right here, which means if that is true, then quite possibly we're going to see the price rocket up. 20,000, if this pattern is correct, 20,000 is a minimum. I wouldn't be surprised if we see 25 to 30,000 by January sometime. Okay, I mean, this is how phenomenal these markets are. I got a doop, right? So that's the bullish pennant formation. Will it occur? I have no idea, but I've been looking at these charts. I think that was a 7-day. That was a 7-day chart. Man, if that happens, what would you think about Bitcoin 30,000 in January?
It would feel like a dream.
Yeah,
I don't. It'd be like being in the Twilight Zone or something. I don't know. It's just it's like, what do you do? Do you cash out? Do you stay with it? It's I don't know. It almost put me into a panic. I don't know what I would do actually, but it'd be a nice worry.